In the enchanting tableau of the Tarot's major arcana, let us explore card number 6, the Lovers, a depiction of profound connections and choices. Visualize a captivating scene where a man stands between two women, bathed in an ethereal light that illuminates the trio. Within the cosmic embrace of the Lovers card, a man finds himself at the heart of a transformative choice. On either side, two women stand, each embodying a different facet of his destiny. The connection between them is palpable, woven with threads of love, harmony, and understanding. Above the trio, a celestial light radiates, casting a luminous glow upon the three figures. This divine illumination signifies the higher guidance that hovers over matters of the heart, urging the man to seek profound insights in the realm of emotions and relationships. The man, poised in the center of this ethereal dance, faces a pivotal decision. The woman on his left represents one path, adorned with symbols of passion and desire, while the woman on his right symbolizes a path of companionship and shared values. The duality inherent in the Lover's card emphasizes the harmony achieved through embracing both aspects. The air is charged with a sense of tension and anticipation, mirroring the gravity of the choices laid before the man. Each woman gazes at him with an intensity that speaks volumes, inviting him to consider the depths of his heart and soul. This visual narrative, generated through the language of artificial intelligence, breathes life into the essence of card number 6. Each pixel, each expression, and each nuanced detail converges to encapsulate the quintessence of the Lovers. An image of profound connections, choices, and the divine light that guides the dance of love. May this image be more than algorithmic creation. May it be a vivid expression of the magic inherent in the 6th card of the major arcana, the Lovers.